And go ahead and point the toes down for me.
Oh.
Drop it. Drop it. Alright, so we're going to do a little distraction adjustment, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. And one more time, deep breath in. All the way out. And go ahead and point the toes down for me.
Oh.
How did that feel?
Good.
Awesome. Get a good release on that?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Breaking up a lot of years of tension on that body. So I'm going to adjust right in the neck, okay?
Okay.
Set it right into my hand. Relax that shoulder for me, okay? Come in. Just relax it. Now drop the head to the left, drop it.
Oh my gosh.
Very good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. All the way down towards me. Just relax that shoulder, okay? Just drop the head to the right, drop it.
Oh. I found it hard.
Wow. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Awesome. So do me a favor, go and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Come down with it, just give me a little push. Deep breath in. All the way out. And a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. I'm going to roll you back here. My legs are going to go on top of yours. You're going to feel me just rolling it towards me. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Rotate right now. Yeah. Just for this time being. I'm gonna come in and just grab right in here, okay? Just release these arms here for me. I'm just gonna do a little pull towards me, just relax it. There we go. Now resist my pull. Very good. Very nice. How's the hip movement feeling? Much better, right?
Yeah.
Great. Same thing here, okay? Just relax it.